Hi, I'm going to show you a tour of the garden that I've been working on with some people at this wonderful house in San Cris de las Casas. We start here, and this is kind of the main scene. We walk here, and I want to explain that all of this was covered with what they call monte. And monte is like the grass that grows like thick and underground and stuff. So we pulled out a lot of it to clean it up, and we'll start over here. And a lot of this section, again, we had to pull out a lot of weeds, and what we're doing is giving space for some of these medicinal herbs and medicinal plants to grow. So here we have what is called yerba buena here, and it goes underground, like in these tunnels right here. This one is hinojo, like this. Keep going here. Looks like one of the cats might have gotten into the hinojo. Yeah. These were just planted. I think they're called calendula. Is that right?
Calendula, yes.
Okay. So these are gonna be some flowers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. That's this one. We come over here, and there's some oregano. Oregano is really good for revitalizing. It stimulates the immune system and the memory, things like that. There's some more hinojo and a tree here. Coming over this way, we get into kind of this like the barrier where all of the monte really wants to grow out here. So we're kind of trying to keep it back and put up some of these like barrier type plants here. And a tree and stuff here. Another tree. So some of it was already here and some of it's been replanted. So we've been working on redesigning and also keeping what's here. Excuse me, right? Let's go this way. Some, what do you call this one? The chilinchoy?
Alcatraz.
Alcatraz.
La calanchoe.
Calanchoy, alcatraz.
Mm-hmm.
Flowers and different types of plants here, different uses. It was really nice getting to know the way that they weave underground and above ground. Before we go down, let's talk about this plant here. This seems to be one of the most sacred medicinal plants that I've been finding. It's called ruda, or rue in English. It has a distinct smell, and it's really great for stimulating digestion. It's something to be conscious about how much you intake, because it's a really strong plant. And let's go down here. So we made some steps here, and then just the other day, some really incredible people came by and cleaned some of this land. They made it so gorgeous. What you see is like kind of this flat area here, and these rock formations are a combination from an English class that myself and Alina were giving to some of the community children, and we talked about geometry. So we got to talk about the triangles and the circles and the shapes, right? Giving them ways to create and learn English and connect all together. So here they made this. Not the children, but the other community members who came by made this incredible fogata, this fire space here, and just did some amazing artistry outside. Let's keep going. This is kind of all cleaned up here. Some stairs get put in to make a path. These flowers are really nice. There was kind of this path here, so I took some rocks. I'll show you here. And kind of move some rocks here and let them go up to this path. So maybe I could grab this from here. Thank you. You want to say hi?
Okay. Hello. This is my space and our space now. Please continue your tour.
Totally. All right. Here's the path that has just been created here. We'll walk up this. Give some nice shape to the whole thing. Here's a nice tree, and when we step up here, there's some more of the ruda, this really wonderful plant here, medicinal plant. You can see its leaves, things like that. This one is Romeo, aka rosemary here. Another stimulating plant as well. It's doing really lovely here. We've replanted these aloe or salvia, you can call it as well. So they're growing here. There's this space right here with these 4 pillars that can be kind of used for possibly making a greenhouse. And coming here, here's the original Mama Salvia, who made a lot of little children that have been replanted around her. Did a lot of weeding in this area. There's some succulent, and there's a little bit of baby rutas that will hopefully grow as big as the other ones over there. There's a lot of bottles that have been left over from back in the day that can be used. You know, you might have seen the way that they're placed for borders or for adobe houses. They make good windows. And here, the dog is behind, actually, possible temescal, a place to do the sweat in, getting some more sticks placed there. And then there's a back there, you can kind of start to see there's some vegetables that are growing, some trees that have been planted, things like that. And recently there's been some lechuga, some lettuces that have been planted here that you can see, and they're doing really well. Some lechuga, avocados back there, and some of this can get cleaned up and replanted for some more food, things like that. And the house has been really great, really created a lot of sustainability, a lot of love, a lot of good energy, a lot of excitement. So thanks for tuning in. And I feel that I will definitely be coming back and staying connected to the people that I've met, the house, the land, the community. It's really incredible and a gorgeous place, and I'm honored to have been here. Thank you.
Thank you.